Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for making You can find the lessons on if the students do. You have to log in there using your email lesson episode as provided by the administrator. You will have to send it back on the subject tab, scroll down to the clean mat, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. You're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons will help the follow the day now. Leave class and break time. Elapsed timeline. Elapsed time. And meeting schedules. We will show you have the notebook and pencil so that you can write down the important example that repetition schedule. And I'm on chapter we are right now is let's just start with the first lesson that is eight clocks and right times. So let's just start with this. What time does the clock show? So we are given the clock. We need to see what time the clock is showing. So basically, time to learn how to do the clock. Okay, so the small, the shorter hand is the hour hand, right? That is between two and three. And longer one is the minute hand that points to nine. So that means that is 2:45, right? Very good. The correct option is 2:45. Let's just start with the test questions. What time does the clock show? So, which is the correct option? So, the shorter hand, like the hour hand, is between 9 and 12 means it is 8, and the other one points to 6. That means that is 30. So, that is 8:30 option. That one is the correct option. Very good. What time does the clock show? So, which is the correct option? That is 7:15. The correct option is 7:15. It is option number two is the correct option. Very good. Okay. What time does the clock show? So, which is the correct option? which is the correct option? That is 3:45. Option number one is the correct option. That time is 3:45. What time does the clock approach? Is the correct option. What time does the clock show? So, which is the correct option? That is 10:30. Option number two is the correct option. 10:30. It is over. What time does the clock show? For which is the correct option? That is 2:15. So number one is the correct option. That is 2:15. What time does the clock show? For which is the correct option? That is 12:30. Option number two is the correct option. If you plan on the lesson by yourself every day, making use of the next lesson. The next lesson is elapsed time one. It is now 9:15. What time will be in 1 hour? Write your answer using numbers and on column. So it is 9:15. So quarter means 15 minutes, right? That means that is 9:15. So what time will it be in 1 hour? So just add one. So that would be the 10:15. The option is 10:15. Option number. Okay, let's start with the test questions. It is now quarter to 12. What time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? Write your answer using numbers and a word. So it is quarter to 12, right? Okay, so quarter to 12 means that is 12:15. Now add 1 hour and 30 minutes, right? So 15 plus 30 minutes means 45 and 12 plus 1 means 110. Quarter to 12, that means then it is 11:45. Yes, sorry. 11 to 12. It is 11:45, not 12:15, right? Quarter past, not that is quarter. So 11:45, add 1 hour and 30 minutes. So 45 plus 15 makes 15 minutes. We need to add 1 hour. 11, 12, add 1. So that makes 1:15. Very good. The correct option is option number two, not option number one. It is now quarter to 11. What time will it be in 1 hour and 15 minutes? So quarter to 11, right? So then it is 10:45, right? 10:40. Add 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 45 plus 15 makes 60 minutes. Means you add 1 hour. 10, 11, and so that is 12. The correct option is 12. Option number one is the correct option. The correct option is 12. Option number one is the correct option. Look at this one. What time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? So the clock is showing 11. So what time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? So 11 it is. And 1 hour and 30 minutes so that we can that would be then 12:30. Option number one is the right. 12:30 it is. It is now quarter to 12. What time will it be in 1 hour and 45 minutes? It's a quarter to 12. That means 11:45 it is. Now we need to ask you what time will it be after 1 hour and 45 minutes? So we have 30 minutes. We need to add 1 hour over here. 11, 12, and 1. So that is 130. Option number 2 is the option that is 130. 130 is option for the reason that option. Look at this one. What time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? Write your answer using numbers and a column. 11:15 it is at 1 hour and 30 minutes. It would be 12:45 option. Number one is the correct option. That is 12:25. It is now quarter to 2. What time will be in 1 hour and 45 minutes? Write your answer using numbers and a column. Quarter to 12, right? That means 1 hour and 45 minutes. You need to add 1 hour and 45, which is the correct version. So that means it is 3:30. The correct option is 3:30 it is. That is 3:30 or number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. If it's very, let me just move it. Next lesson. The next lesson is elapsed time to let's just start with the lesson. Leo started working on her science project at 10 past 10 in the morning. She didn't stop working on it until half past 3 in the afternoon. How long did Leo work on her science project? So we are given the starting to end time and we have to find the time duration, right? So we are given the time that is 10 past 10. So that means that is 10 hour and 10 minutes. And she didn't stop when working until it is half past 3, so that is 3:30. So you need to see how long they are working. So you just subtract 30 minutes minus 10 is 20 minutes, right? And starting from 10 to 3, 10, 11 to 11, 12, 1 to 3, that is 5 hour and 20 minutes. The correct option is, so the total time duration is 5 hour and 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, let's just start with the next question. Rosa made lasagna for dinner. She put the lasagna into the oven at 5:30 in the evening and took it out at 5:25 in the evening. How long was the lasagna in the oven? So she put it in the oven at 5:30, that is 5:30, and took it out, that is the start time, and took it out at 6:25, that is 6:25. How long was the lasagna in the oven? So we need to find the English, right? Starting from 30 minutes until 25 minutes. We have 30 and 25, 55 minutes and 0 hours. The correct option was 100. That is 0 hours and that is 0 hours and 55 minutes. Let's just start with the test questions. Nigel arrived at the dentist office at 4:45 and had a seat in the waiting room. He saw the dentist 10 minutes later. What time was it when Nigel saw the dentist? So he arrived at 4:45. He saw the doctor after 10 minutes. So from 4:55 until 10 minutes, the correct option is. That is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Alan built a new fort fence in the yard and decided to paint it red. He started painting it at 10 past 11 and finally finished 1 hour and 45 minutes later. What time was it when Alan finished painting at the fence? So he started at 10 past 11. It finished after 1 hour and 45 minutes. So just have 1 hour and 45 minutes. Finished, sorry, like given the start time and the finish time, you need to find a decision. So you need to calculate what time was that is the time duration. What time was it when Alan finished painting in your friends? So 10 minutes plus 45 minutes is 55 minutes and 11 plus 1 is 12. So it would be 12 past. It would be 5 past 12. 11:55 it is. So that would be 5 past 12. The option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. What will survive? Oh, sorry, 5 to 1, 11:55 it is, right? So we have just 5 to 1, that is 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just go into the next lesson. The next one is reading schedules. Let's start with the lesson. Look at the following schedule, which game ends at 11:20. So ends at, we are given the table, the beginning time and the end time we are given. So 11 here is 11:20. That is Thunder versus Blue Jays. So the correct option is let's just start with the test questions. Look at the following schedule. Which when does essay writing class end? The essay writing class ends at 4 p.m. The correct option is that is 4 p.m. Option number two is the correct option. Look at the following schedule. Which stop does the train arrive at 12:23, which is the correct option. At 12:30, the train arrives at the waterfront option. The is the correct option that is waterfront. Look at the following schedule. What? When does the modern dance class begin? The modern dance class begin at 4:45. The correct option is 4:55. Sorry, option number one is the correct option. Look at the following schedule. When does the train depart from the grocery station, which is the best option? That is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Option number two is the best option. Look at the following schedule. Which game ends at 11:50? Is 11:20. Uh, what game it is? That is Thunder versus Blue Jay games. Option number two is the correct option. Look at the following schedule. Which event begins at 4:45? The correct option is the zebra feeding. Option number two is the correct option. That is the zebra feeding. Look at the following schedule. When does the jugglers performance end? That is 8:30. Option number one is the correct option. Look at the following schedule. When does beginning piano class begin? Should be 9:55. Which class begins at 12:40 p.m.? At 12:40, the computer science class begins. The correct option is option number one. The following schedule. Which movie ends at 6:35 p.m.? At 6:35, that is spaceships and rocket function in the reason correct function. Look at the following schedule. When does the beginning snowboard class end? It ends at 4:30. Option number one is the correct option. Look at the following schedule. When does Perry arrive at Russell Beach? That is 1:40. Option number the last one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on day two math. Chapter we're working on is time. The lessons we have covered today are read clock and write times, elapsed time one, elapsed time two, and reading schedules. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is what we will continue next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the question in the chat box and here to answer all your questions and confusion that you have. For any questions, you can please ask if you have any. No questions.
Sure.